Watching out for that cyclist. I'm going to brake, going into gear 2. It's quite tricky there. Check out right. I'm braking a bit more. I'm on the verge of going to gear 1. Check out. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos. Today we're going to do a driving mock test, a real mock test by myself, your fully qualified driving instructor. I'm going to show you how you should be driving, how the exam will be set up, how the examiner will be marking you, and what exactly you should be doing in your driving test. If you got a test coming up, or you just want to see what it's like to do a driving test, watch this video, watch it to the end, and you'll get loads of tips, loads of help, loads of advices. So do watch it, and let me know if I've passed or failed. Comment below at the end of the video, let me know if I've passed or failed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. More work to do now. Biting point, move forward, follow the shape. Look at the arrows, it's telling you where to wait. I'm going to stay in gear 1. I'm going to move all the way to the edge, following the arrows, leaning forward so I can see. It's clear to go now. Looking into the road, watching out for that girl, that little kid, and the pedestrian crossing as well. Green light so far. Up to gear 2, check your mirrors. Okay, up to gear 3. Again, can't see no speed signs. We just brake a little bit for the zebra crossing. So we're going to assume it's 30 because of the street lamps. Just double checking if it's in gear 3. Yeah, it's in gear 3. Looking far ahead, zebra crossing. Check my mirrors, brake a little bit for this car pulling out. Brake a bit more, go down to gear 2. Keep rolling forward, that way I don't need to stop. Check my left mirror, so I can move slightly around him. This car here. Scan on the zebra crossing, yeah, it's clear and we're gonna go. And then up to gear 3. I can see a 20-mile zone far ahead. Check your mirrors. So as I get there, we're going to be slowing down to 20. See a zebra crossing and a roundabout, and this car trying to pull out. Slightly release the gas, brake a little bit. It's not really affecting me, so I'm going to carry on. Brake, clutch goes down, go down to gear 2. Keep braking a little bit, scan on the right. This car's indicating left. This car's indicating left as well. The car behind isn't. Go down to gear 1. He's indicating left. Yeah, I'm going to go. Looking ahead. And we'll go, but we can see a traffic light up ahead, red light, so I'm not going to accelerate too much. If anything, brake, clutch down, go down to gear 1. So a lot of things again happening in a quick succession. You just have to be really alert and just make decisions in what do you do in your next step. So for example, I didn't want to accelerate because I saw the red light. Go to gear 3, check your mirrors, and let's go. Okay, 20 miles an hour. You can see a bus coming. I'm going to move to the left slightly so they can have a bit more room. Going up to gear 2. I can feel the car struggling a little bit for power. And then we're fine. Up to gear 3, looking far ahead. I can see a red light. So I'm still about 20 miles an hour. I'm not really accelerating too much. I'm letting the car roll forward. I'm going to brake a little bit. The lights might change as I get there. So I'm down to about 18 now. Check my mirrors. I'm going to put the clutch down now, go down to gear 2, but carry on driving. Okay. And then up to gear 3. Just releasing the gas, letting the car roll slightly, then covering the brake, checking my mirrors, clutch goes down, let's go down to gear 2, and then because we're coming to a stop, back to gear 1, check your mirrors, and then get ready to move off. I can see them moving, up to gear 2 again, and we can see speed signs, 30 miles an hour here, but red light, so we're going to release the gas again, and then come to a nice smooth stop. Clutch down and brake gently, and then up to gear 1, handbrake up, check your mirrors. Okay, biting point, check your mirrors and go. Up to gear 2, up to gear 3, and the last speed sign we saw was 30, so we're going to keep it at 30. This guy's indicating, so I'm gonna brake. It's affecting my driving. Go down to gear 2. Go down to gear 1 now. Check my right mirror. I wanna try and squeeze out, but I don't want to affect their driving yet, because it's their priority. There's a little gap appearing. Double check that right, and quickly push out. Check my left mirror. Go down to gear 2. Zebra crossing, scan, and carry on driving. Watching out for the red car. And go up to gear 3. So if the obstruction is on our side of the road, it's us that has to wait. We don't want to affect their driving. Another zebra crossing up ahead. Check your mirrors, be ready to slow down and react. Okay, yeah, there's a gap, let's go. Watching out for that cyclist. I'm gonna brake, going to gear 2. It's quite tricky there. Check out right. I'm braking a bit more. I'm on the verge of going to gear 1. Check out right mirror, get ready, and then move around. Very risky situation, but we reacted to it. Imagine if you're a student now, you have to react to a cyclist jumping onto the road from the pavement. Let's go right here. Check our mirrors, indicator right. So lots happening in this real mock test. Okay, watching out for those pedestrians. We're in gear 2, look into the road. Look at your right mirror as well, just double check no one's going to cut in. We can see 20 miles an hour zone on the floor. Up to gear 3 for a little bit. We're going straight through here at this staggered junction. It's a slight hill up ahead, so we're going to clutch down, go down to gear 1 to give a bit more power here. Stagger to the left, look right, it's clear on the right, look left. I'm going to get myself into this side, I'm going to wait for him. I'm going to indicate right now since we're more straight. He's giving me way. Okay, let's go, thank you. And carry on, okay. Up to gear 2. Check our mirrors.
And that's the end of part 4. There's only one last part to go, part 5. So do catch it. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for all the latest videos. Comment below, let me know about your mistakes in your driving test, in your mock tests that you guys are doing in your driving lessons. Let me know, comment below. And if you guys see any mistakes that I've made, let me know as well, comment below. It's very easy to make a mistake. Hopefully I haven't. I'm a fully qualified driving instructor, but if I have, then obviously you guys are my audience and you guys are gonna correct me. Thank you again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.